Hi everyone, welcome to Learn with Hassan, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your TikTok account private. Yes, how you can make your TikTok account private. So without wasting my time, let's start by opening our TikTok account here. At the bottom right there, there's a profile. You tap on it, then you go to the upper right corner there, the three horizontal lines. You tap on that one too, and you come to the very last option, which is settings and privacy. Then you go to privacy, then the first option is what we are looking for. We want to turn our account to private, so you just tap on the button on the right side there, and voila, your account is private for now. So if you want to take it off, you just tap on the button again and you go to switch at the bottom right there. So this is how you switch from private to public or public to private of your TikTok account. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Until we meet again, bye bye.